5S is a workplace transformation method that can help any organization to achieve significant improvements in efficiency, productivity, and safety. In this video, we will learn what are the 5S principles and how they can be implemented in your workplace. In today's fast-paced business environment, it's crucial for organizations to continuously improve their processes and optimize their operations to maintain a competitive advantage. Let us discuss one by one. This means removing all the items from the workplace that are not used regularly or are no longer needed. This means creating a system for storing and retrieving items that makes it easy to find what you need when you need it. One way to do this is by assigning a specific place for each item. This can be done by using visual cues such as colored bins, shadow boards, or labeled shelves. This means regularly checking your workplace to see if it is still organized and efficient, and taking corrective action if necessary. By using visual cues, you can make it easy for everyone to see what is in order and what needs attention. Some common visual management tools include colored bins, shadow boards, Kanban systems, and 5S checklists. You can also use tools such as Kaizen events or value stream mapping to identify areas for improvement and to develop action plans for addressing them. During the audit, you can check to see if the 5S standards are being followed and if there are any areas that need improvement. When implemented correctly, 5S can lead to a number of benefits, including a clean and organized workspace, increased productivity and efficiency, improved safety, and reduced waste. You can also use the audit as an opportunity to recognize and reward those who are following the 5S procedures. By sustaining your 5S efforts, you can ensure that your workplace remains a source of competitive advantage for your organization. Another way to organize your workplace is by using a workflow layout. If you haven't implemented 5S yet, we encourage you to give it a try and experience the benefits firsthand. This involves analyzing the steps involved in a process and arranging the items and equipment accordingly. For example, if you work in a factory, you may need to arrange the tools and machines in a way that optimizes the workflow and reduces the distance traveled by the items and the workers. This can include outdated equipment, excess inventory, and unnecessary furniture. This means removing dirt, debris, and other visual impairments that can make your workspace look messy and disorganized. It also involves inspecting equipment and tools to ensure they are in good condition and working properly. One way to clean your workplace is by setting up a regular cleaning schedule. This can be done by assigning specific tasks to different people or by hiring a professional cleaning service. Another way to keep your workplace clean is by encouraging everyone to take responsibility for their own mess. This can be achieved by providing clear guidelines and by rewarding those who maintain a clean workspace. By doing so, you will create a more spacious and organized work environment. This means creating standard procedures for sorting, organizing, and cleaning your workplace. By documenting your 5S process, you can ensure that everyone in your team follows the same procedures and that the standards are maintained over time. You can also use visual aids such as posters, checklists, and flowcharts to help people remember the procedures and to make them easy to follow. To perform the sorting process, you need to ask two basic questions. Do I need this item? Does this item have a specific place where it belongs? If the answer to either of these questions is no, then the item should be removed from the workplace. One way to make this decision is by using the ABCD analysis. In this method, items are categorized based on their importance and usage frequency. A items are the most important and are used frequently. B items are important, but are not used as frequently as A items. C items are less important and can be used less frequently. And D items are not important and are rarely used. Items that fall into categories C and D are good candidates for removal from the workplace. Once you have sorted the items, you need to decide what to do with them. Some items may be valuable and can be reused elsewhere in the organization. Others may be broken or outdated and need to be disposed of properly. One proven method for achieving this is through the implementation of 5S, a structured approach that can help any workplace become more efficient, productive, and safer. First S, sort. The first step in the 5S process is to sort or separate the necessary items from the unnecessary ones. Second, S, set in order. After sorting out unnecessary items, the next step is to organize and arrange the remaining ones in a logical and efficient manner. Third S, shine. The third step in the 5S process is to clean and inspect your workplace. Fourth S, standardize. The fourth step is to document the previous 3 steps. Fifth S, sustain. The final step in the 5S process is to audit and continuously improve your workplace. Visual management and labeling systems are essential for the success of 5S. To sustain your 5S efforts, it is important to conduct daily audits of your workplace. We have discussed 5 important steps to implement 5S in your workplace: sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. We hope you found this video informative and practical. If you have already implemented 5S in your workplace, we would love to hear about your experience in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.